How to buy ETH token. So this token came under the symbol of SIGN. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply scroll below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on about this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. So this token, it's available on MEXC. You can buy it on your account on MEXC. Now first of all, open your MEXC account like that. Now if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down the description and you will be able to find the referral link and create an account on MEXC to benefit from yours and find your account with Solidity. Now after that, go to search bar and click here and type SIGN like that. Now go to spot, not the futures. Go to spot and click on that pair that have USDT on it. Now wait a few seconds to load this page. So as you can see here in the amount, set the amount that you want to buy like that. And here you will be able to see the total that you should pay of that USDT on your account. Now click on buy SIGN. Now if in a few seconds this token it will be added to your account. So this is how to buy SIGN token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.